Good morning, all. So, babies, how are you doing? Good? Okay, very good. So, let's begin our day. We are doing English. So, let's know what is today's date. Today is 7th October 2020 and day is Wednesday. Okay, and we are doing words with vowel eh. Words with vowel eh. Okay, so let's revise vowels first. Which vowel is this? A. This is E, I, O and U. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. And what are their short sound? A, eh, E, A, A. One more time. A, eh, E, A, A. So they are the long sound and short sound of the vowels. Okay, and we have done two vowels. A we have already done. Yes. What is the short sound? A. And this is E. What is the short sound? Eh. Right now we are doing this vowel. Okay. So first let's revise vowel A. Okay. So you will open page book Cursive for Juniors and page number 35. Page number 35. Which page number? Page number 35. Okay. So what you have to do here, first whatever is written here, whatever is the instruction, we should read it first. Okay. So let's read it first. Match each picture with the correct words. Okay. Match each picture with the correct word. Okay. So now read these words first. Mat for and fan, ha at hat, for at fat, pa and pen, ba at bat, ka at cat, wa and when, and ka and can. Okay. Now see the pictures. What is this? Hat, van, mat, cat, fat. This boy is fat. Can, fan, bat and pen. So how we are going to do this? We have to match them. So how you are going to do this? First we'll read the first word. Read what is written here. Mat. Ma at mat. Okay, now find out where is mat. The third picture is mat. So you will match this dot to this dot. Okay, mat. Now this is fan. Where is fan? Here it is. So you will match fan with fan. Okay. Now read the third word. Hat. Where is hat? The first picture is hat only. Okay. So match. Read the word and then match. What is the next word? Fat. This boy is fat. So match. Pan. Mama cooks food in pan. So match pan with pen. Okay. Now what is this word? Bat. Where is bat? Here it is. So match it with bat. Cat. Where is cat? Here it is. Cat goes with cat. Van. Where is van? Here. The second picture is van. Van you have to match it with the van. Now the last word is can. So this is the can. Match it with this word. This way you are going to do. Okay. Now one more page. Okay. So here now you all know how to read. Okay. How you are going to do this? First you have to read. Tick. Tick means this. Tick the correct word for each picture and write it below. Read bat, red. So what is the correct answer? Bat. So you have to tick this block. Okay, and then you will write bat. Van or pen? This is van. So you will take van and you are going to write van here. This is fan. Take the correct word and write it here. Cat. Take and write it here. This is rat. Take the correct word and write it here. Hat. Take it and write it. Pen. Pen. Man. Man. So these two pages of vowel A you are going to do. Page numbers are 35 and 36. 35 and 36. Okay. Now we were doing vowel A. Vowel A. Okay. So this is vowel A. And what is the long sound? Vowel. What is the long sound of this vowel? E. Short sound is A. And we are doing short sound of this vowel. Okay. Now read what is written here. Can you read? Were orders words with vowel A. Words with vowel A. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now these are the three families we have today. Egg. The egg. L. Okay. So I am going to write down some of the members of this family. Read it with me. B, A, G, bag. Next word is L, E, G, leg. Peg. P, A, G, peg. Okay. Now the next family is ebb. So the first word is web. Web. Nab. Nab is a bird's nose. You can say beak. Nap. Feb. Feb is a short form of month February. Feb. Okay. Now with L family, the words are B, E, L, bell, F, A, L, fell, T, A, L, tell, W, A, L, well, S, A, L, cell. Here we have got two L, but we'll call them at only one time. Okay, we are not going to say B, L, L, bell. We are not going to say it like this. B, L, bell, F, L, fell, T, L, tell, W, L, well, S, L, cell. Now, one more time, let's read these words without breaking them. Okay. Bag, leg, peg. Web, nap, feb. Bell, fell, tell, well, and last word is cell. So babies, you are going to write down these words in your English notebook. Okay. Now, in your Cursive for Junior book, you are going to do page number 51. Which page number? 51 in your Cursive for Junior book. Okay. So first let's read the words. This is N family. N. N. Okay. Now read them. Hen, pen, men, and den. Hen, pen, men, and den. So you are going to write down these words here. First you will read the word and then only you are right. Okay. First read the word. Do not cheat them from the book. Read the word, say the spelling and then write. Okay. Same goes with in English notebook also. Okay. And one more from your TP tab book. You are going to read page number 17, half page of it. Okay, and sound words. Which words? And sound words. Ha and hen, ma and man, ta and tan, da and dan, and pa and pan. Okay, these words you are going to read. And yes, we have. Are you practicing sight words? Are you practicing sight words? Yes or no? Yes. These words are very important. Sight words are very important because we are going to use them every now and then. Okay, we are going to use them very frequently. So we should know these words. Yes. So I think you should learn their spellings also. Okay. So let's begin reading sight words. Sight words. Sight words. What are we reading? We are reading sight words. Sight words. So let's read first line first. Okay. He, she. These letters we know. Yes. He, she we read in genders also. Okay. In EVS book. He, she, be, me. These words sound same. They are the rhymical words. Okay. What are rhymical words? Which ends with the same letters and they give same kind of sound. He, she, be, me. Okay. Now the second line, to and do. To and do. And these two and then the third word is go and so. Babies, we will not say go and so. Why? Because they are sight words. There are some words they have different sound. Okay, we call them exceptional words. Okay, so to and do, go and so. Next line, these are again very important words. I okay, I am your teacher. Okay, I am a girl. Is is, she is a girl. Okay. You, this is again a very important word. You, Y-O-U-U. So you have to learn the spelling. Y-O-U-U. This is really important. Okay, so you have to need to learn this spelling. Y-O-U-U. Next word is am. I am a girl and I have an orange as at. She is as pretty as you are. Okay, at. Now again we have got these two very important words that we use in sentences very often. Sometimes our sentence begin with these letters, the and this. Most of the times, the, T-H-E, the, T-H-I-S, this. T-H means the, T-H-E, the is a this. Okay, one more time let's read them. He, she, be, me, to, do, go, so, I, a, is, you, the and this, am, and, as, at. Okay, so page number 38 from the book TP tab you are going to read. Alright, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.